everyone, this is Seah once again. I've just received another machine from Italy, and this is the second vintage quick mill which I've purchased. And this one is slightly different from the previous one that I've unboxed and used recently. So let's see what's inside this package. So I'm just going to quickly open this. Okay, let's see, the opening should be on top. Okay, they have a black plastic wrapping on the outside. Okay, and some cushioning at the side. Okay, but the packaging is not as well done as compared to the previous one. But let's see. Most important is actually the condition of the machine. Let's get this wrapper out of the way. Okay, so let's open the top. Right, there's some old newspaper for cushioning, and basically the entire machine was wrapped in a bubble wrap like this. So let's see how it is. I think this is how the machine will look like. I think the condition is still pretty good. Okay, let me but I definitely need to descale this machine because inside there's a lot of lime scale built up. So this is the size of the machine. Okay, let me find the cover for this. Right, here's a cute little cover. I think some of the plastic parts are already missing, but I can definitely print something to replace this. Not an issue. Right, there's a little bit of tape. Probably the wire has been broken, so I will open this and see what's the condition. The wiring at the side has aged, but I can see all the buttons are still working. Okay, these are the lights. I think. Okay. Okay, so basically, open the drip tray. Similarly, there's an external drip tray for this, but the top drip tray cover is actually made of plastic. Let's unlock. This is the design of the machine, and the group is actually built in with this handle at the side. Right, and this is the portafilter that comes with a basket. The basket has been used and actually it's pretty clean for my so you just lock up this way and you hold this and then you can lock it up, right? So on the whole, the condition still looks okay for a 1917 machines. Definitely not as good as the previous one that I purchased, but yep, so it is a very nice machine, and I got the same color as orange as the other one. Okay, let me bring the other one and show you. Right, so you can see they are roughly the same size. Yep, and design they are quite similar to each other. Of course, this one comes with a rotary pump, which is very interesting. And this one, I believe, I'm not too sure what pump this is, but I'll check it out later on if I have the time to open the machine from the back. So far, these are the two vintage 1970s quick meals we have purchased recently. So I hope you have enjoyed the unboxing, and of course the next video I'll be recording the use of this machine, and let's see whether this machine still functions. Right, so thank you for joining me. This is Seah once again. Remember to hit the subscribe button and like our videos. If you like our content, do make sure you ring the bell so that you'll be notified when we release new videos, right? So thank you once again, and I will see you in the next one, and stay safe.